I'm studying 9th class. My school name is Simone Vidyaniketa. Today activities based on articles.
Number two. Dog. The girls get 1 mark. Number 5. Boy. Hey, boy. The girls get 1 mark. Number 7. Elephant. Okay, boys, 1 mark. Number 8. X-ray. Okay, boys get 1 mark.
Number 5.
Guntur. Okay, boys, 1 mark. Next.
Number 3.
Ice cream. Next.
Number 1.
Umbrella. Number 9. Last, number 8. Orange. Okay, boys, 1 mark.
Number 6.
Number 6.